We had a $250,000 project to install a generator using FEMA funds for emergency purposes for one of our buildings.
The project was pretty involved. It was a long process working with FEMA and getting the proper approvals for the funding that the city had to deal with. And the utility room was in the basement in a small room. So it was a tight space, and the trenching had to get done from the basement through a stairwell, down a driveway, and then to the back of the building. A concrete pad was poured, and then the 350 kilowatt generator set on it. And that generator had to be big enough to supply power to the whole building, including the HVAC units.
And the project manager did a great job, the vendor did a great job. Working with Gordian cuts down on the time that we have to go through the purchasing process. So it greatly saves us time by using Gordian to do projects.